Do you want naturally glowing, smooth, and healthy skin without expensive creams or complicated routines? What if I told you that some of the most powerful skincare secrets are already sitting in nature? Simple herbs that have been used for centuries to nourish, heal, and brighten the skin from within. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 herbs for glowing skin, how they work, and exactly how you can use them at home. Make sure to stay till the end, because number 5 is one of the most powerful herbs for clear and radiant skin. Herb 1, aloe vera. Let's start with one of the most popular and powerful herbs, aloe vera. Aloe vera is often called the plant of immortality, and for good reason. It is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help repair the skin, hydrate deeply, and promote a natural glow. If your skin feels dry, irritated, or dull, aloe vera can help restore moisture and improve skin texture. How to use it? Take fresh aloe vera gel from the plant, apply a thin layer to your face, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. You can also mix aloe vera with a few drops of lemon juice for added brightening effects. Regular use can help reduce acne scars, calm irritation, and give your skin a healthy, natural shine. Herb 2, turmeric. Next up is turmeric, one of the most powerful herbs in skincare. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This helps reduce acne, fade dark spots, and even out skin tone. In many cultures, turmeric has been used for centuries to achieve that famous golden glow. How to use it? Mix a small amount of turmeric powder with honey or yogurt to form a paste. Apply it to your face, leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off. Be careful not to use too much turmeric, as it can stain the skin slightly if overused. With consistent use, turmeric can brighten your complexion and give you that natural glow everyone notices. Herbs 3, neem. Now let's talk about neem, a powerful herb known for its deep cleansing and antibacterial properties. Neem is especially beneficial for people dealing with acne, pimples, and oily skin. It helps fight bacteria, reduce inflammation, and purify the skin from within. If your skin is prone to breakouts, neem can be a game changer. How to use it? You can make a neem face mask by grinding fresh neem leaves into a paste and applying it to your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Alternatively, you can boil neem leaves in water and use the cooled water as a natural face rinse. Neem helps clear the skin, reduce acne, and promote a smooth, clean complexion. Herb 4, green tea. Moving on to green tea, a powerful herb rich in antioxidants. Green tea helps protect the skin from damage caused by pollution, sunlight, and stress. It also reduces puffiness, tightens the skin, and slows down signs of aging. The antioxidants in green tea help fight free radicals, which are one of the main causes of dull and aging skin. How to use it? Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and then use it as a facial toner. You can apply it with a cotton pad or even freeze it into ice cubes and gently rub them on your face. Green tea helps refresh your skin, reduce swelling, and give you a brighter, more youthful look. Herb 5, chamomile. Finally, we have chamomile, a gentle yet powerful herb for glowing skin. Chamomile is known for its soothing and calming effects. It helps reduce redness, irritation, and skin sensitivity. If you have sensitive skin or conditions like redness or mild inflammation, chamomile can help restore balance and calm your skin. How to use it? You can brew chamomile tea, let it cool, and use it as a face rinse or toner. You can also soak a cloth in chamomile tea and place it on your face as a calming compress. Chamomile also helps improve skin tone and gives your face a soft, natural glow. Bonus tip, internal glow. Now here's something very important. True glowing skin doesn't just come from what you apply on the outside. It also comes from what you put inside your body. Drinking plenty of water, eating fruits and vegetables, and reducing processed foods all play a major role in your skin's health. These herbs work even better when your body is properly nourished and hydrated. So, let's quickly go over the 5 herbs again. Aloe vera hydrates, heals, and refreshes the skin. Turmeric brightens and reduces acne. Neem cleanses and fights bacteria. Green tea protects and rejuvenates. Chamomile soothes and calms the skin. These natural herbs are simple, affordable, and incredibly effective when used consistently. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. And tell me in the comments, have you tried any of these herbs before? Your skin deserves the best, and sometimes, the best comes straight from nature.